Did you know that every Friday holds a special moment when your dua is guaranteed to be accepted? Imagine having a direct line to Allah, a time when your heartfelt supplications are never overlooked. Every week, Allah has blessed us with a hidden opportunity, a sacred hour specifically designed to grant our wishes, heal our hearts, and uplift our spirits. Yet, so many of us miss it. In a world full of distractions, we often forget that this golden window exists. But what if you could unlock the power of this moment? In this video, we'll explore the time of the accepted dua on Friday, an opportunity that could change your life. Whether you're seeking guidance, healing, or simply looking to grow closer to Allah, this is your chance to connect in a way that is pure and powerful. Don't let this moment slip by. Let's dive in. 1. A specific time every Friday when duas are accepted. Every Friday, Allah has placed a moment unlike any other, a hidden hour in which He promises to accept every sincere dua made by a believer. This special moment reflects Allah's mercy and His deep awareness of our needs. It's not tied to public rituals or gatherings, but is a private chance for connection between the servant and the Creator. The beauty of this moment lies in its mystery. We are encouraged to seek it with devotion and patience. For the believer who longs for change, relief, or nearness to Allah, this hour is a sacred opportunity not to be missed. 2. The Prophet's Salallahu Alayhi Wasalam statement. The Prophet Muhammad Salallahu Alayhi Wasalam clearly spoke about this special hour in several authentic hadiths. In one narration, he said, "On Friday, there is an hour when, if a Muslim happens to pray in it and ask Allah for something good, He will give it to him." This powerful statement highlights the certainty of acceptance during that time. The words of the Prophet are not vague or symbolic. They are a direct assurance from the Messenger of Allah. His companions took these words seriously, often discussing and searching for this hour, knowing that the Prophet never spoke without divine guidance. 3. Scholarly opinions. The exact timing of this blessed hour has been a subject of discussion among scholars for centuries. Various opinions have emerged based on different hadiths and the practices of the companions. Some scholars believed it to be the time when the Imam sits on the pulpit until the end of the prayer, while others leaned toward the last portion of the day before Maghrib. Each view is backed by evidence, showing how seriously our predecessors took this matter. Their dedication reflects the importance of not missing this chance, even if it means staying engaged in worship throughout the entire day. The most likely time among the many scholarly views, the most widely accepted opinion, is that the special hour of accepted dua falls in the final part of Friday, specifically after Asr until Maghrib. This time frame is supported by several authentic narrations, including one where the Prophet, Salallahu Alayhi Wasalam, raised the possibility of it being in the last moments of the day. It is a period marked by stillness and reflection as the day draws to a close. This time holds unique spiritual weight, encouraging believers to slow down, disconnect from distractions, and turn their hearts fully toward Allah in sincere supplication. 5. Spiritual significance. The final hours of Friday carry a deep spiritual atmosphere that softens the heart and draws the soul closer to Allah. As the sun begins to set, it symbolizes the end of a sacred day, a moment of reflection and humility. It's a time when the world becomes quieter, and the believer naturally feels more contemplative. This emotional and spiritual stillness creates the perfect condition for heartfelt duas. Just as the day concludes, so do our thoughts turn inward, making us more honest in our pleas. In this serenity, the believer is more likely to call upon Allah with sincerity and focus. 6. What to do during that hour. During this blessed hour, the best action a believer can take is to engage in dhikr, reflect deeply, and make heartfelt dua. Sit in a quiet space, away from distractions, and focus entirely on your connection with Allah. Begin by praising Him, sending salawat upon the Prophet, Salallahu Alayhi Wasalam, and then pour out your needs, worries, hopes, and dreams. Ask for forgiveness, guidance, healing, and anything your heart longs for. Be specific in your requests and trust in Allah's response. This isn't just a routine, it's a sacred meeting with your Creator, where your voice is heard and honored. 7. Encouragement to be consistent. Making dua during this special hour should become a consistent habit, not just a one-time effort. Just as we schedule important tasks in our week, we should prioritize this divine opportunity every Friday. By doing so regularly, we cultivate spiritual discipline and deepen our connection with Allah. Over time, this weekly act becomes a source of comfort and strength, especially during life's challenges. Even if we're unsure of the exact moment, showing up with sincerity each Friday demonstrates devotion and trust. Allah loves those who persist in turning to Him, and consistency in dua often opens doors in unexpected ways. As we've learned, the time of accepted dua on Friday is a priceless opportunity to connect deeply with Allah and seek His blessings. Don't let this blessed moment pass you by. Make it a regular practice and watch how your life transforms through sincere supplication. May Allah grant us the wisdom to recognize this precious time and accept all our du'as. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Inner Deen for more spiritual insights. Leave a comment with your prayer or dua, and let us know how we can pray for you. May Allah bless you abundantly.